In manufacturing, bonding happens everywhere. Whether it's painting, coating, adhesives, or plating, effective bonds prevent scrap and rework and ensure your products perform as expected for your customers. The bonding process involves specialized equipment and sophisticated materials, but the key to all of it is controlling the interface where the materials meet. This interface may look clean, but the eye can't measure real cleanliness. It's happening at the first few molecular layers. That condition is measured by something called surface energy. Surface energy is important because surfaces are sensitive to variability caused by outside inputs, equipment settings, maintenance, and human choices throughout the production process. Today, many manufacturers still rely on manual systems, like dyne or water break tests, to check surface energy right before bonding. But these methods are no longer sufficient. They're hard to interpret, they depend on human judgment, and results can vary between operators. They also can't be used in small spaces or recesses, places where sealing properties are often critical. And because they don't generate data, managers can't monitor compliance or track and trend results over time and across sites. Even the cleaning steps before coating can introduce variability. Cleaning media may be contaminated. Plasma or flame settings may need adjustment. Atmospheric silicone or a dirty wiper can leave a part with incorrect surface energy, making bonding unreliable. These are what we call critical control points. They are places where surface quality can change and where it's essential to verify the condition of the surface. With standardized manual or automated measurements, surface energy data can be streamed in real time, and feedback can be provided to not only operators, but to quality and production teams to ensure quality targets are being met while reducing costs and improving competitiveness. Surface intelligence starts with setting a surface energy standard, then identifying critical control points where variability can enter. Finally, streaming data from those points into a monitoring system. Manufacturers that lead in surface intelligence use this data to reduce downtime, extend material life, and prevent scrap and recalls. BConnect from Brighton Science delivers surface intelligence through process monitoring. Our proven measurement tools are quick, flexible, and accurate. Within the BConnect network, they're deployed as a process monitor system. Operators using BC Mobile are guided through specific locations to take readings. Those readings are tracked, trended, and linked to the actual product being made. BC Inline complements the network with automated, real-time verification, giving fast, precise surface quality data directly from the line. The data from BConnect is presented to quality teams and managers as real-time notifications, control charts, and compliance reports. It provides instant awareness when problems arise, and shows trends that uncover cost savings and best practices that can be sealed across your operations. Your surface intelligence network creates a common measurement and a common language for quality. This cloud-based solution is fast to deploy, and your first network can be live in as little as 2 weeks, and it scales easily as your return on investment grows. BConnect is tailored to your operation. Each customer is assigned a success manager, an expert in surface quality who helps plan, configure, onboard, and train. Brighton Science instruments are trusted by the most demanding manufacturers in the most critical applications. That experience powers a solution designed for any manufacturer who wants to unlock new levels of quality and financial performance. Contact us today to learn more about BConnect and Brighton Process Monitor.